Welcome back. We are still under calculating velocity. Let's look at some examples. So in that question there, they are telling you that a ticker timer vibrates at a frequency of 50 Hz, and the distance between two consecutive dots, if these are two consecutive dots, the distance in between them is 2 centimeters. So what they have given us is the distance between two consecutive dots. Then they ask you, find the time that elapses between two consecutive dots and the average speed of so the time taken for two consecutive dots is always the period, and we know that period is given by 1 over the frequency. So if they want the time for two consecutive dots, it means they want you to get the period. And if you know the frequency, you can get the period using this relation here. So this is 1 over 50, which gives us 0.02 seconds. Then the average velocity, they also want us to get the average velocity. We know that the velocity is equal to displacement over time taken. So in this case, it's going to be the displacement between the two dots, which is 2 centimeters. So we have to first convert it into meters. That is 2 over 100 gives us 0.02 meters. So this will be 0.02 meters over the time for the two consecutive dots, 0.02, and this gives us 1 meter per second. So the velocity is simply the displacement between the two consecutive dots over the time taken for the two consecutive dots. Let's look at question 2. So they want us to calculate the speed over time taken. So we already have our displacement as 20 centimeters, which we can convert into meters. So we are also supposed to have time taken, which we know that time taken will be equal to 1 over the frequency times the number of spaces. This will be 1 over frequency. The frequency was given in the question as 50 Hz times the number of spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're having 5 as the number of spaces. This gives us 0.01. So in that case, we can get our speed as the displacement over the time, which gives us 2 meters per second. Sorry, this is 0.1. This is 0.1. That is our velocity.